If Microsoft Edge is blocking a site you trust and you want to get back in fast, this video will show you how to unblock it in just a few simple steps. Whether the website is being restricted by Edge's privacy settings, tracking prevention, or a browser rule that's being a little too aggressive, I'll walk you through the easiest way to change the setting and try the site again. And before we get started, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. In the top right corner, click the three dots menu, which is the main menu for Edge. From there, select Settings. This is where all of the browser controls and privacy options are stored, so we'll make the change here. Once the settings page opens, look at the menu on the left side and click Privacy, Search, and Services. This section controls how Edge handles tracking, cookies, site permissions, and protection levels for the websites you visit. Now scroll until you find the Tracking Prevention area. By default, some users may have this set to strict, which offers the strongest protection, but can sometimes block parts of websites or even make certain sites not load correctly. To unblock a site, change tracking prevention from strict to balanced. If the site still doesn't work, you can try basic instead, which is the least restrictive option and allows more site content to load properly. After you switch the setting, go back to the blocked website and refresh this page. In many cases, that's all it takes for the site to open normally. If the page still doesn't load, try closing and reopening Edge, then visit the site again. You may also want to clear the page and reload it, just to make sure the new privacy setting is taking effect. Keep in mind that changing this setting can help with sites that are being blocked or partially restricted, but you should only lower protection levels for websites you trust. If you're visiting a secure or important site, it's always best to make sure the website is legitimate before allowing it to load fully. And that's it. You've now learned how to unblock a blocked site in Microsoft Edge by adjusting the tracking prevention setting from strict to balanced or basic. This is a quick fix that can save you a lot of frustration when a website won't open properly. If this video helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another helpful tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.